Restoration program is the Sheldon Jackson campus. Is sort of trying to look like it used to. It's trying to look young again. So what we've done for the last 4 weeks is we've taken Fraser Hall, and it's been done in other buildings as well. We've taken Fraser Hall, we've given it not only a fresh coat of paint, but we've scraped old paint off. We've redone columns and certain fixtures in order to make it look as it did in the early 1900s.
I came to this Historic Restoration Internship because I'm an urban planning major, and Historic Restoration plays such a huge part within the wide field, just kind of like preserving culture and the vibrance of the area, I would say.
Charlie.
Former student here, living here in the 7th grade.
Oh, that's great. Would you introduce yourself? This is
nice to meet you. My name's Heather. Hi, I'm Liza. Nice to
14
meet you.
years old when I stayed as good.
Oh, really?
I'm Lauren.
It's too bad they didn't continue the school. One of the best things that happened in Alaska was the school here. It contributed very much not only to Sitka, but all the students that came from the different villages and towns were the big contribution.
I've definitely learned a lot from being here, just like how to use all the tools and different procedures you can use to fix things and create things, so I'll definitely take that with me wherever I go.
One of my favorite parts has been the wood shop here. Working with Randy the past week has been really fun. Planing down boards, passing through the table saw over there, using the bandsaw.
Right now we're just you know, puttying some panels before painting. It's my favorite part of the 3 Ps: painting, putty, and panels. It's the best part.
I think the thing that I'll take away most are the skills that I've learned and just the feeling that you get from doing something bigger than yourself, if that makes sense. But yeah, there's a lot of good opportunities to be had, so lots to take away.
favorite part so far is Alaska.
Alaska?
And everything involving its culture and what it has to offer, and its outdoors.
My favorite part of the program has definitely been the adventures we have taken after work and on the weekends. I enjoyed canoeing after work or hiking up to Gavin Hill, and definitely enjoying being around such awesome people.
The takeaway from historic restoration is that when you get 11 people together that you don't know, like no one knows each other beforehand, and you put them in a building, that they will in fact get along and work together.